I read the entire 74-page lawsuit against Trump's lawyer, Alina Habba, so you don't have to. And spoilers, she is a bad person who needs to be disbarred. The suit was filed by Alice Bianco, who started working at Trump's Bedminster golf course when she was 21. Her boss, the food and beverage manager at the club, almost immediately started sexually harassing her and then SA'd her. I'm not going to go into the details because I don't want to trigger anybody, but here's screenshots of the complaint if you want to read it. It's super gross. Alice finds out this is happening to a bunch of other employees too, so they join together in a complaint to general management, and Alice lawyers up. And a few days later, she's waiting tables on Alina Habba at the club, who she thinks is just a member. And Habba says, "Hey, heard about what happened. I want to help you." She never mentions that she's Trump's lawyer, and then she starts encouraging Alice to fire her existing lawyer. And if you don't know how being a lawyer works, there are rules, and one of the rules is, if you're Trump's lawyer, you cannot talk to the person suing Trump's company. You gotta talk to their lawyer, and you gotta tell them that you're Trump's lawyer, and you definitely can't encourage them to fire their lawyer. Anyway, Habba claimed to be neutral, and she worked her way into Alice's confidence and poisoned her relationship with her existing attorney. So Habba takes over and says, "I'll take care of you. You are going to get screwed, and it would be really embarrassing for you if this came out publicly, but if you sign an NDA, I can get you a great settlement, and we'll get them to pay for therapy too, and it'll all be tax-free because I'm a really good lawyer." And she strong-arms Alice into signing it quickly and tells her not to have any other lawyer look at it because it's a really good deal and the clock is ticking, and also what? Don't you trust me? I'm your friend helping you. And Alice never even gets to see a draft of the settlement. She doesn't even get a copy until 8 months after she signed it, and only after repeated requests to Habba's law firm. And the NDA says, if you discuss any of this, you'll have to forfeit the whole settlement to Trump and $1,000 a day in damages. And Habba tells Alice that the media would only pay like $3,000 for the story anyway. And those were all lies. And Alice was protected by a bunch of New Jersey law, and so putting those things into the NDA were illegal. Also, she did have to pay taxes on the settlement, and there was no therapy money, and Habba ghosted her right after she signed it, other than a quick text that said, "I technically can't give you any legal advice." And then Habba is all over the news representing Trump in his New York fraud trial, and that's when it dawns on Alice, Habba wasn't my friend. She wasn't neutral. She was Trump's lawyer all along and got me to sign a shit deal to protect Trump. And if you want to know how super illegal everything Habba did was, here are all the rules of professional conduct Habba violated. And Alice isn't asking for a windfall. She wants the court to release her from the illegal NDA and the terms of the settlement that she was coerced into signing, and that Habba be referred to the bar for discipline, and that Habba pay Alice's new real attorney fees. And man, I hope Habba gets disbarred over this. This behavior is so freaking egregious. It is totally unethical and illegal. So, is it any surprise Trump likes her so damn much?